Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Request validation is an essential part of building secure and robust web applications. In Java, particularly when dealing with web applications, example using Spring or Java EE, request validation ensures that the incoming data adheres to expected formats and constraints before processing it further. Overview of request validation in Java. One purpose of validation, to prevent invalid data from affecting application logic, ensuring data integrity and security. Two common validation scenarios. Validating user input, example forms. Validating API requests, example JSON payloads. Checking for required fields. Validating data types and formats, example email, URL. 3 validation techniques. Manual validation in controllers or services. Using validation annotations with frameworks like Java Bean Validation, JSR 380, and Hibernate Validator. Implementing custom validation logic. Using Java Bean Validation with Spring. In this tutorial, we will use Spring Boot and Java Bean Validation to validate incoming request data. Step 1, Setting up Spring Boot. 1. Create a new Spring Boot project using Spring Initializr, https://start.spring.io. 2. Include dependencies for Spring Web and Spring Boot Starter validation. Step 2, Create a model class. We will create a simple model class representing a user registration form. Step 3, Create a controller. Next, we'll create a controller that will handle incoming requests and validate the data. Step 4, Error handling. To handle validation errors gracefully, you can implement a global exception handler. Step 5, Testing the application. Now that everything is set up, you can run your Spring Boot application and test the registration endpoint. 1 valid request. Response. 2 invalid request. Response. Conclusion. Request validation is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your application. By leveraging Java Bean Validation with Spring, you can easily enforce rules on your request data, ensuring that only valid data is processed. This not only enhances the security of your application but also improves the overall user experience by providing immediate feedback on errors.